mermaid's warning. Full story. One day a mermaid saw a little baby that was with her mother at the river. The mermaid got so attached to the baby that she decided to take the baby and raise her for herself. On the day that baby turned 20 years of age, the mermaid sent her back to land and she returned to her family with riches, as some sort of peace offering from the mermaid. Before the young lady left, the mermaid warned her that if she gets physical with a guy, she will instantly die. When the little girl arrived with the riches, her family was glad. They kept a big party to celebrate her 20th birthday. At her party there was a very handsome guy that was a friend of the family. The two got to talking and that very same night she slept with him, completely forgetting what the mermaid had told her. The two held on to each other tightly, and as soon as his seed was planted, he watched in horror as the life left her eyes. Her pupils became dull and the light left her body. The guy ran away and the girl was later found and buried.
Check out the playlist below for more Debbie stories.